Taurus Herophilus, Torcular Herophili, confluence of sinuses. The torcular herophili is a highly variable structure that constitutes a vital part of the network of dural venous sinuses. The torcular herophili, Taurus herophilus, is defined as the intersection of the superior sagittal sinus, the straight sinus, the occipital sinus, and the two transverse sinuses, all of which confluence at this expansion here called the wine cup of Herophilus or the Taurus herophilus, torcular herophili. The superior sagittal sinus, the straight sinus, the transverse sinus, occipital sinus, all of which drain into this expansive content here. This expansion is called torcular herophilus or the confluence. Its size varies and is located inferior to the occipital lobes, posterior-superior medially to the cerebellum. This is the confluence of sinuses: the superior sagittal sinus, the occipital sinus, the straight sinus, and the two transverse sinuses on either side. I repeat again: the superior sagittal sinus coming here, the straight sinus coming in joining here, the occipital sinus joining here, and the two transverse sinuses here, all of which confluence into this expansion called the torcular herophili. What do you mean by torcular? Torcular definition is a point at which four great cranial sinuses meet. Again, torcular, the point at which the four great cranial venous sinuses meet. Etymology: torcular herophili originates from the Latin torcula, means press, and herophili after the ancient Greek anatomist and surgeon Herophilus, 330 BC, 260 BC, at which range he existed. The ancient Greek anatomist and surgeon Herophili, torcular, originating from the Latin torcula, meaning press. The confluence of sinuses, torcular herophili, is the connecting point of the superior sagittal sinuses, the superior sagittal sinus, straight sinus, occipital sinus, transverse sinus. It is found deep to the occipital protuberance of the skull. Blood arriving at this point then proceeds to drain into the left and right transverse sinuses. The superior sagittal sinus often drains either exclusively or predominantly into one transverse sinus, and the straight sinus drains into the other, the torcular herophili. There are various combinations as to how the sinuses join, but the description which we have seen now is a standard one that you will routinely encounter: the torcular herophili, the Taurus herophilus.